What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Adam with the Real Deal Tech Spot. Today we're getting into the Samsung Q60D QLED TV, 55-inch TV that I'm only going to do the unboxing for in the menu review today. This is the type of TV that I really want to enjoy and really get to know, just for y'all to know. So we're going to take our time with this one. So we'll get into it right after this. Alright, let's get opening this box. QR code on the box here for more information. First things first, legs. Then we got our bag with your cord and wires. Remote unpacking installation guide. Without taking the legs out of the plastic, you will feel that they are sturdy and thick, well crafted, and meant to hold up the weight of the TV with no problem. Little to no issue probably. Then getting into your bag of items that come as connectives and hardware associated with the TV. Opening the remote here. You'll notice it's much like a lot of the Samsung items of this nature. The volume and channel buttons aren't actually push buttons as much as they are sliders. That's unique. We're going to figure out more about this as we do more video. So I just want to give you a brief overview of the things that come with it. The connective wire. This is your power wire for the TV itself. And I'm not positive, but I'd have to say this is to declutter the back of the TV. So we're going to find out. And now taking the TV out of the box. This foam out the way. So just before I put the legs and everything on, I just wanted to go over the back panel of the TV. Here you have your wall mounting panel with the 4 screws for each mount. Would require the use of 2 of these screw holes. Your input, your power input source, all of your ports would be located in this back panel, as well as an extra third HDMI port, an optical port, and for each of these panel sections, you'll notice these strips here are actually meant to keep the wires in line. They're meant to keep everything clean and out of the way, so you can have a flat panel support. So putting the legs on, all you have to do is align, slide, and click. The easiest thing you'll have to do with this TV, aside from plugging in the wires. But earlier I already displayed and talked about the ports on the back. I just wanted to get an up close view for y'all to be able to see exactly where the ports are and what they look like in their entirety. This is your third HDMI port and your fiber optic port here. Then you have your USB. There are 2 of those, a LAN port for direct wireless, or no shit. They're 35 inches apart, so if you were to set it on a TV stand, you might just need a little more than 35 inches to be sure that you have a solid base. In terms of sound bars and where you might want to place it, if you did want to place it between the legs of the TV, you would need to know that it is 35 inches. So now we get into the menu setup of the Samsung Q60D. I'm going to use the smartphone option, which is through the SmartThings app. You can just go to your app store and download that. It'll have you scanning a QR code here in a second. I'll make sure to include a screen recording walkthrough of how to get that done for those of you who may need assistance. If you don't have the app or an account with Samsung, you can use the remote control. So yeah, let's get this done. First things first, scan your QR code. One thing to note about during setup in the SmartThings app, you will be asked if you would like to set up Bixby or Amazon Alexa. Another thing to note is that if you've had a previous Samsung TV or device, it will save the settings that you had. Once you have set up your account with SmartThings, this will be your introduction to your new TV. So I just wanted to get into this remote because of how unique it is. This is the first remote that I've seen with a Type-C charger port as well as solar charging. Your voice assistant control here with the microphone, the mic itself, your power button, your settings, your directional pad here, as well as your select, your back, home, play, pause, which also acts as the game bar controller, your volume buttons, channel, and then you have your Samsung TV Plus, Netflix, Disney Plus, and Prime Video. Post unboxing, the real deal about the Samsung QLED TV. This is definitely breaking in the new age of technology. Sleek, well placed, everything in the designs and aesthetic. It is definitely meant to be integrated into your smart home system. Everything about it is new age. The settings on it, from picture settings to the game mode settings, the auto HDR functions, and just the 2160p quality in the gaming, mind blowing. So this is just wrapping up the unboxing of the Samsung QLED TV.